Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Today's video, we're giving the Tremor a bit of an interior upgrade. Now, for those of you who have been following the channel for a while, you might remember we are currently running the lace fit floor mats on this F-150 Tremor, and we've been running them for probably 2 years now, and they've held up very well. They look really good still, and they've definitely done their job, but it's definitely time for an upgrade. So one thing to keep in mind is how low these floor mats run down here, and they don't cover the full carpet trim all the way up here. The new floor mats we're putting in will give us more coverage up on the sides there. Otherwise, it's basically an identical format with a very similar, if not the same, pattern as these current mats we're running in the truck. Now, we'll have to remove this under storage container to get this mat out and put the new one in, so I will do that right away. But first, let's go check out our new floor mats. They are in the box here still, so be mindful when I pull them out, especially the rear one, it might look a little wrinkled still, as I did not give them time to settle in the sun just yet. So these are the 3W Auto Lif3 floor mats, and they look eerie similar to the lace fit design. They probably get them from the same manufacturer, but there are a few key differences. As you can already tell how high this sidewall, this rubber sidewall goes to give you full coverage along your carpet there, as well as the driver's side format right there. If we look over at the foot pedal here, I guess where you put your foot, your stationary foot that you're not using, you have this metal grip pad here. It looks really, really sharp. It's kind of like a brushed aluminum look, and that should look really good in the Tremor once everything's said and done. But I really love this design, so I'm not mad that we're sticking with something very similar to what we already have. So let's get that under seat storage out and remove all the old lace fit floor mats that we currently have in the F-150 Tremor. All right, let's go put the new ones in. All right, so floor mats are installed. We'll likely put the old ones into the Lariat to give that a bit of an interior upgrade as well before selling this truck. And it is starting to get a little bit dark out, but I should be able to show you what these look like without any issues. And you guys can also see kind of what all the accent lighting looks like on the truck. Very happy with how this is all turned out. If I quickly close the doors here, just to give you guys kind of a blown out view how everything is looking. Very happy with how this Tremor is coming along. But back to the video, let's check out these floor mats. You guys, very happy with how these turned out. Like I said before, similar style to the lace fit mat, but these ones come nicely right up to our plastic trim there, all the way up, so we're not gonna get any more dirt behind there on the carpet, and the fitment is just perfect. It's absolutely dialed. We have a little bit of hangover here, so we don't have any exposed carpet here that you have to worry about vacuuming or getting all crusty full of mud. So very nice feature on that. And then this sort of brushed aluminum traction plate for your foot right here. Very, very nice feature. It looks really, really good. And those are definitely the subtle differences between these and the other mat, which is a world of difference. You obviously get really good coverage all the way down at the bottom here for people, dogs, kids getting in and out. You're not gonna have to worry about your carpet getting that dirty because it does a very good job of protecting all of that. And then over on the passenger side here, we have the same thing. It goes all the way up to the trim there, Hopefully you guys can kind of see that. I didn't realize it was gonna get this dark that fast, but there's a general idea of what this 3W format kit looks like. Very happy with it. And I'll make sure to put a link in the description below so you guys can check out this kit for yourself. And we still have a few more mods yet to come for this F-150 Tremor. I have the F-150 LED fog lights to go in this spot right here. We're gonna get rid of the OEM fog light and mount two little 2" by 2" pods right in here. They're actually right over here on the bench here. So these guys here will kind of sit side by side in that little well. We got a nice bracket right here that this will all go into. And then they'll be situated like that in the bracket. It's all gonna look a lot nicer than that. But I've definitely slowed down on some of the Tremor mods because they are a little bit heavier and physically exerting mods, like taking off the front bumper. And I recently herniated my disc and I have a bulge in another disc, which has really put me off of being able to do anything heavy or physical. Hence why we're doing kind of floor mat mods and anything sort of light on the Lariat for the time being. But we're not that far out from being back in action. So like I said, lots more stuff to come for the F-150 Tremor, so stay tuned. And for those of you, we got a lot more coming for the Lariat. But that is all I have for you guys today. So thanks 3W for sending those out to me. A nice little refresher mod like I mentioned earlier. The truck looks fantastic. The interior looks really good. And as always guys, thank you guys so much for being here. If it wasn't for you, I would not be able to do the things that I do. So I appreciate your support. I appreciate you guys for watching my videos. If you guys have any comments, questions, any suggestions that you want to see specifically done, whether it's the Lariat or the Tremor, let me know in the comments below. I will be doing, I think one of my next videos is going to be doing kind of a tally on all the mods I've done on the F-150 Tremor. I'm going to record all of the values that I've put into this truck, or all the values, I guess, not some of them are sponsored parts, but basically the value of every part that is on this truck. I'm going to be making a video of that very, very shortly. So stay tuned for that, you guys. Lots more to come. Thank you so much for being here. I'll see you guys in the next one.